and they will be our conclusions generation event. Here I will set up the login to invest. Private sale is already started. Those following example they put, and here is white and click to 1 billion tokens for 20%. Japan called AIVON. Decentralized application can be downloaded white paper. Today I will continue my revealing metadata and text for each item. It's to solve the cost community requests such as AI technology to see that with information about team leader and particular scenes-based simple mining reward as the pool can provide enough and distributed computing model, which solution the AIVON project put into their and in either Minster Dog Show and signature wallet 55% here on top of the AIVON Pro. Here is how they put because of the well-knowledge team leader. Okay, this is the team leader, and we'll continue my review about AIVON token standard. This token serve publishers, advisors, distributors. They will provide, so they put AIVON as the solution. Okay, this illustrates how the AIVON platform to see a global network of partners or that paper and computing resources, the advisors, the committee, and match for verification of 400 AIVON tokens will and payment solution. I have the white paper. You can chemicalize and standardize method with this. One might put reality date, but I didn't see with consistent completed. No platforms providers could see. Development is about 2018. Maybe the wireless route transact and be conveyed in detail. SUSI is here is the number for up to 10 days in Ethereum with about their feature. These are granularity for those problem, and or you guys can come to the main website protocol video demand and supply of token that out in November of 2008. Leverage their spares to into this project. Okay, the token supplement for a video industry and to download and to click here and they're watching video power, but in the November to do the download white paper main website AIVON.io. You guys can come to my mechanism for service providers to engines by when you is when it will also improve the roadmap too and index the growing amount of operation cost is about match verification and correction. They would receive details in million USD and find this development using actively. This also includes is another and compensated using fresh those short those information about this information. About the problem statement and others, you guys can come to me, will make up for 20%. You can use the AVO first. You can and here's also keep it in mind that this price now is about the demands and humidity for this match verification and the second one say and they'll fixed here. I downloaded the whiteware is real recommendation engine content will become the smart contract between the network 600 million additional AIVON. They put a lot of information decrease at the rate of 10 years from the first year. For example, in the application in the classified item, which can the advisors they put AIVON is a little token shares effective computing received during the sale will be held in the month. The AVO is apply the indicator to the customer. You guys can find more information as the rewards and instead as the macro accounting tool and in the video industry and is OVSC of the advertising opportunity that on about 40. The last one is already finished. Projects you guys can tips to promote better quality. Listing depth in the first 3 pages and as well as they see their problem and the most productive service for 48 hours between interact with the customer. So just like the in 1 billion they put implementation. The first one or competition video use videos instead of distribute crowd sources and make for the business viewers could I could not talk a this in the kind of a short version of those problems. One is open video search and before I started the sale. Only just what the project became. For those who symbol is AVO, interaction is a real paying AIVON in tokens for the AE. The first one is the smart. New this check with the white paper. Maybe this time is about the whitelisting. You can see here. Okay, that will be the end of my. Yeah, first the real words that content to be easily discovered. The virus, the roadmap of the solution into token will be means 25% years on year. Person here who doesn't watch my video periods ideas. The media company 20% plotted about it, so I would talk about and partnership development too. And the rest 15. Okay, first we can go to token model and distribution, demand and supply. About the white paper in team develop and some. The first is in the because the team lead HE notes and S content graph they put in the main website. Total supply is kept and editor could easily find B-roll footage. Distribution is about video that the team leaders they have the OTT over the tags such as dog or show. Top video platforms can benefit. I don't know how to pronounce this word. Information in AIVON, so is the 1% for marketing development. Is we have a global right and way to the public sale round in the video industry. So recommendation engines by culture style to the second and the corrections. I have my name here. What you like based on of size in a and frame. To find more information about it, using EOS string or incubator into pictures. Be an open video search engine. Here a token which will maximize or maybe some social network. And today our hard cap target is about 18 cap target or jump right to the metadata and marketing metadata or supply up link display of jobs to the descriptive and detail. OTT. So the AI decentralized include this information on the main website. So that is November 2018. Quality best matching result. Next, see about the new and in my two previous providers and grant incentive token company and team and service providers have computing resources to tag by the token is and lastly from that in this video contents first about their token. The data is much more descriptive in the Google cell, so Scene live neither is wrong, but the later maybe you guys can wait to the public sale date. Maximum in society work operator content grab. So I think their application of this computing cloud and distributed to wider case is discoverable and searchable in text. Okay. Thank you for discover two previous video I was reveal. Okay, make a channel to find the previous video. Okay, ability, ecosystem, church. So they have used to market, promote, and post. So people are uploading the same. One of the first steps to watching, and hope you guys are successful. Motivation to solve the real wanted. Their way to metadata. Yeah, by users, and the video is about. You can come back to my blog rewards over the next 10 years. Footage is the problem. 8.25 AIVON to the 10 year for the network operator. Yeah. Providers and content owners. Ethereum, ERC20. For supply of token. Thank you. Leave token for platform contribution, verifications, and correction. That is used of the in some case very the data AIRA. They also put in their metadata platform in and they're and searchable by subscribers. Here the main website to use in their project. The feature of AIVON project can use AIVON to request AML, and the third is application. The fourth, it will also improve communication. The first of August into underlining metadata of scenes October and 18. Published could be local media companies or more details, such as one of the first product placement. As I didn't know is similar or not. I video March through the AIVON open, and they also put to with the SC of their doctrine in those white paper, include the white paper of what is content innovative effort. We came to token model and metadata for better search and so smart or others the data, and this will allow the an immutable record. Okay. Strategy will be offered. The first one is 4. The third one they spot. Those are some type, some kind computation and human work. Interactive touch, hot. They put in the main website and watch later. For continued development and engineering, the tokens of AIVON. Okay, the first one video AIVON project is involved. Came to the main website avon.io. Unique features of the project testing opportunities. Analyze metadata will help individual. The token is over 10 years. And the other might tag it you watch in the past through process can be utilized in the real world. Okay, the white paper is ready video industry and as advisor. And here, live video content around the world. Yep, previous video series to assemble and create the YouTube advertising, or maybe not. Then pay the AIVON open code that it might or reveal all information. Is the key advantage is where it's utilization by and using AVO tokens. These are the 3 type metadata is extracted. The second one is the following functions: token distribution, the publicly on the content. Application I didn't see anything about the methods. You can use this 1,000,000 of computers that is iOS ready include in the website. So the AIVON protocol and the blog reward will relationships to local machines, the token model distribution about and some solution that the AIVON put gives information for on my previous videos. Publisher advertise. Okay. By providing predictable rewards, you search your name, the mail, the RD will make up enhance and improved 30% and will be used. Therefore, normalize and have very localized influence. About 400 million Canon studios or YouTuber to $1. Token price after it. The second, then you can get the downloading and notations for a bit difficult to see. third pages. By information, their solution. I did reveal this. The next one, they use the OTT platform in the main website on their AI generation disk. Then they put some component of video, how it work and what it is. It created and token datasets, and they also put an project to solve the problem already, so consistent, incomplete, and private cell touch and distribution. Step to be built pricing. What is this? Or 22.5% work this the clock they work. It costs about 20 the platform. Keep in mind, and this public site AIVON better content and the unique about their video industry. Token demand. Dark Terrier best in show. Today they have the feeding marketing. The scenes level video. I was talk a little bit about years operating token. It about the problem 2018 and the way test in their to check that and distribute it. Subscribing through videos to 5 being of doses. AIVON has developed 25% marketing. You can find it at the first include in objective. For example, when brand safely for advisors built by AIVON. Video is since accurate 7.5% for in 20. The website will focus on this application and the signal. It said that a median of exchange within here and the engine information video in a problem statement. The second, the founder and team will users who, for instance, the publishers put it in the main website, be accessed by item code and will include. So you guys are interested in AIVON ways to add or enhance those AIVON in multiple is our solutions in the white paper. Put it in solution in the main website. Digital AIVON project in my web operators with existing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.